When I promised them pancakes for breakfast, I didn't realize we'd be waking up at 11 o'clock in the morning. It's almost lunchtime. It's almost lunchtime. Yeah, you woke up last. They are milking this whole summer thing on day one. Hey guys, we're out here in Goodyear, Arizona at the Verado High School graduation, where Kelley and I just set up a whole fireworks show. And her and I are gonna shoot the show by ourselves, so we're gonna record it for your entertainment pleasure. Enjoy the show. Well, that's it, guys. The fireworks show is over. Kelley had to take off and get home to the girls, and I packed everything up. And let me just tell you, it smells very ripe of sulfur in here. You can't even smell it. Wow. You might smell it through the screen. Anyway, I gotta go back and drop all the gear off and drive home. It's 1 a.m. I just got home from the fireworks stuff, doing the show, taking the stuff back to the fireworks office, and it's 1 a.m. I haven't done a trick of the day. Got to do one. Kind of stumped on what to do. It was Red Nose Day, and I stopped and I bought a red nose because I thought it would be hilarious if I was wearing my Nomex hood with my red nose on to do fireworks in, but I forgot to do it. I did buy it here too. Your red nose magic trick. That's the best I got. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. Oh yeah, here's one more thing to say.
Boom!
Hey, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like videos just like this, please do us both a favor and click the subscribe button. Below that, you'll find the latest FitzMagic Show, and below that, you'll find a video recommended just for you. Thank you for watching, and click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button.